Hi guys, first of all, wishing you in advance Happy New Year. Here I'm going to talk about my New Year resolution. Before that, let me tell you one important thing. Whenever an year has been changed, it is just a change in number. It does not do anything to your lifestyle or whatever your current position where you are. What we need to do is we need to change our lifestyle. Just because a new year is entering, just because we are entering into new year, it is not going to affect any of us in any way unless we change our lifestyle. So to change my lifestyle, especially, there are certain resolutions which I have taken. Out of which one or two resolutions I want to share with you so that I don't know how many of you feel motivated about this, but some sort of effort I'm just keeping here. For 2023 year, what is my biggest resolution? To wake up early in the morning. Yes, honestly, because all these days I wake up in the morning somewhere around 9, 9:15, sometimes 9:30. So that is what the time at which I wake up generally. But this time I decided I have to wake up in the early in the morning. Now you will ask me immediately the question, sir, we tried this many a times, it will not work. That's why what I did, to do something which is difficult generally for us, we require some sort of motivation, right? This motivation may be sometimes voluntary or maybe sometimes compulsive, like it is very compulsion, it is out of compulsion we do. What I created is I created a compulsive environment for myself, like the only way that I can wake up in the morning, what I decided is to announce one classes related batch, face to face classes I announced, which is from morning 7 a.m. to evening, sorry, morning 7 to 10. If I have to take a class in the morning at 7 o'clock, I have to at least wake up at my home at 6:15 and get ready by 6:30. Go by car to that campus within another 10-15 minutes. Present in the class at least 5 to 10 minutes before. Then arrange all my laptop setup, everything, and then start the class by sharp 7 o'clock. Now tell me, you know, especially it's year final, nowadays, nobody's attending for face to face class. Everyone knows that 95% of the CA final students are only preferring Google Drive mode of lectures. In fact, with me also, most of the students take only Google Drive. Every day, some 2 to 3 students enroll for Google Drive classes. I have announced this physical batch considering that nobody will come for the physical batch except some 10 or 15 or 20 students for the matter. But this batch has been announced by me specifically for my personal change and not for anybody else, logically. Only if I announce a physical batch, I will do consistently everyday recording by looking at the students' expressions, facial expressions, all that. You know, Generally we do recording at home, right? We do recording in offline mode. Offline means where no student will be there. We have to assume that a classroom environment is there and we have to take up the class through the system, which is extremely difficult. Logically speaking, it's extremely difficult task, but still we do because the quality will be very high. Because in home we have a studio setup, so in a studio setup, the quality of the lecture will be much more high. But what is happening in this offline, it is becoming very difficult for us. We need to motivate a lot ourselves to do an offline recording. So what I decided, I have to wake up early in the morning, and some motivation should be there. It should be compulsion for me. So what I did, I just announced the batch. Getting it? So now what I have to do, I can't step back, I can't take back. So I have to definitely start the class on whatever the date I have announced, and I have to attend the class by morning 7 o'clock, and obviously I need to get up by 6:50. So this kind of compulsive environment I created for myself to change my lifestyle. And second, one more resolution, I actually joined for some fitness center gym. Okay, because almost I'm 78 kgs now, almost. So I need to reduce it to 70. Of course, the main, when you will reduce your weight, not because if you go to a gym, if you reduce your food or if you maintain a balanced food diet, only then you can reduce your weight. But why I'm going to gym is I need to, just I need to have an environment where I can, like ditch some calories, all that. So I decided, I joined the gym. I even hired one personal trainer. Still, almost in a week, 4 days I will not be going to the gym. Hardly 3 days I will be going to the gym. So now one more resolution which I kept myself. morning 7 to 10 class, right? Immediately after the class, I'll directly go to the gym. In fact, what I decided is the face-to-face class, wherever I'm going, I'll go directly by wearing gym suit, like whatever t-shirt and track pant. I'll directly go with that. And as soon as the class gets completed, immediately I'll go to the gym center or whatever the way I feel convenient. But immediately after the class, I'll go to the gym. So this is what I've decided, and I decided so strongly that I have to follow this. Like for every one of you, you will also have some, like you might have felt like there are some things, there are few things in your life which you want to change at any cost. Make it compulsive for you. On what condition you will compulsorily, without failure, you'll do that. Create such a kind of compulsive environment for you. Definitely you'll do that. I am hoping that whatever compulsive environment which I've created, I hope I'll abide to that and I'll behave accordingly. So this is about my new year resolution. So I hope it helped you a little bit. Okay, so that's it. And remember, when a date or year has been changed, your lifestyle is not going to change at all unless you decided to change yourself. It is just an event, like whatever 1st January 2023 is just a day like any other day. But since everyone celebrates it as a new year, take it as an occasion and make yourself much more better version of you than the previous year. Okay, so I hope I didn't make you bore through this video. I hope I'll be very happy if you put your comment of what is your new year resolution. Put it as a comment here. I'll be very happy to see all your comments. Okay, and most of the, for every comment I'll reply for sure. Everybody knows that I'll reply for every comment. That's it. So have a nice time. Take care. All the best. And by the way, once again, wish you in advance Happy New Year.